how he can direct of every day to prepare 32,000 dishes. 32,000 because you are 3,407, we are 1,350. So together, this is just for us two. This is another. How many tons of food do we use a day?
Very good question.
Very good question.
I don't have the answer.
Between 3 and 4 every day.
But normally, like we did last close, it's one month closing.
So welcome to the galley deck 6. It's the biggest we ever moved. We served the dinner for 560 seats. And we served the dinner also for the Allegro 650 seats. So together, 1,100 people. And the responsible is so your turn.
We make our own bread. So we make our bread 4 times a night. All the time, 4 times. We make like 24,000 bread a night. We produce our own ice cream, this is 150 to 200 gallons of ice cream. Our mini pastries is 4,200 to 500 mini pastries, 600 grams pastries. It's a lot. So, Australian menu, all posted to the board, on the wall, and then the wall. And lunch, and the other side is another Australian menu. So, hi. Good evening. Good evening, Ala.
This is fun.
So now I will escort to your table. We prepare a line of chairs attached together for the ladies, the gentlemen standing behind. We do so for the group picture, and then of course there is your name in front of every chair, and then we sit accordingly. Do you have any question about this?
No.
We can be in the picture, myself and the chef. Yes. Perfect. Okay.
Hello, good evening.
Welcome.
Kumusta?
Buti, yes. Welcome.
Oh, that's great.
Congratulations.
Okay, ladies. Now we check your name. Miss Spade.
Mr. Joseph.
White. Excuse me. Spade. Miss White. Yeah. Wendy, Jaime.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
You can put your chair.
Voila.
1, 2, 3. Una más.
Now we see why this is called Lumiere chef table. Because something happened now.
Nothing. There you go.
It's not
You
synchronized.
see everybody looking at you. They say, you are there. Look. So just do snobby stuff. Yeah, this is 24,000 fiber lights.
Is that all?
You want more?
So we make it a little private, and now no one escapes.
Now you're mine.
We're in jail.
Okay, chef.
Thank you.
See you in a minute. Yeah, stop talking about it, otherwise nobody eating. Let me say something about this room. We have a 3,500 crystal around this restaurant with a painting, ceiling painting of 22 karat gold. These compositions coming from Murano, Venice. The cost is $250,000. Each lease is going between $10,000 and $15,000. We broke one like in May because there was a rough sea and then the vibration of the propeller. Underneath here we have two huge propellers. So actually the Royal Princess is the first of 6 Royal class ships. It's the first one. They done this beautiful, spectacular, but they figured out it's too fragile. The other 5 ships, the composition is more solid, more strong. This is more delicate. We are here to check. This table is a mahogany table with a decoration of mother pearl. The cost is $350,000. You dine tonight with a 22 karat gold cutlery. Also the dishes, they have the border of gold. And then, just to let you know, just this room, it's cost $1.2 million. Just this, you're sitting in $1.2 million room. We are priceless anyway. This is just the tables and things. But you know already, George from Romania, and then Mr. Lee from Zimbabwe, Jerry from Planet of Philippines, and then we have the soldier and from Indonesia, no? Indonesia. I'm Italian, so you see 5 people already, 5 nations. Don't even thinking about. But tonight we will provide you the best we can to make your experience beautiful. Mr. Lee is going to offer you more champagne, of course, and then he's going to offer you white wine, red wine, blue wine, yellow wine, whatever wine. And the boys as well are going to serve you the bread and the stuff that I don't want to even mention. Butter. I don't say it's no good things. In Italy we don't eat butter in the beginning. Use butter for cooking, but the culture, your culture is sit bread and butter because it's nice and we make them more anyway. But butter and the bread together before dinner, we use bread to clean things, to clean sauce, to clean after, not before. Before, wine. Yes. Okay guys, enjoy, have fun. We will be all night here, so it will be amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're like a king and queen. Thank you.
Make it all back.
French apple liqueur glass, demi-glace, with potatoes cooked on the calvados. My suggestion, if you like to eat just the pâté first, alone, you can feel the velvetness and the sweetness and the moisture of the pâté. If you like to eat the pâté with a piece of crostini, this is another way with some starch together. All right?
Wow. Oh, what is it?
It's a big thank you.
Chef, you explain this.
Seafood dish with lobster, halibut, and shrimp inside with the brandy cream. On the plate is we have oyster rocky filling with caviar, cream and spinach, and green mussels leaf with white wine sauce and vegetable. On the bed also we have the pink peppercorn, Himalayan salt, and lavender. If you need more salt, just pick up from the bed and then you can finish. Thank you. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
This is another dish which the component is not very popular to the other restaurant, but as I told you before, you eat something different here. My suggestion is, is a biscuit, there is underneath it, there is a lobster, there is scallops, there is everything. But if you want to, eat first the mussels with the vegetables and white wine, and then when you finish to eat, you can scoop instead to use your spoon. It's another way to get in the sea level of fragrance, my point of view. But then you do whatever you like, and then come on, it's happy. It's happy. Come on.
Thank you.
Bon appetit. I call it intermission, like size soaking intermission between period. To clean up your palates, of course, from all the strong flavor you got so far. Everything's fine so far? You enjoy? Yes? Very good, very good. So will be also the sommelier, what is it? Yes, he's going to pass around with a little touch of chef. Sorry. So he's going to pass around with the champagne to just enhance the flavor of the lemon. The little twill is just flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt just to enjoy. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
We are okay now, no? Yes. Mr. Joseph, you're number 11.
Look out, man.
Come on, please.
Thank you.
Okay,
Wow.
look at me. 1, 2, 3, please, now you can take it out. The dishes are the one you asked? Yes? Yes. Hallelujah, Signore Risotto.
Got it right.
Thank you guys, back to work. Chef?
Oh, wow.
Okay, what we have is veal Oscar with a veal tenderloin grilled. We have the potato cake, asparagus, and fried tempura, crab.
The wheel, this one, what is this?
That is the coral tulip.
Oh, they're different. Ours is salmon.
Okay, so our executive pastry chef Ariel from Philippines, and he's in charge of all the breads, all the cakes, ice cream, and all the
Sweets on board.
the display on the piazza.
Yeah.
The display is the 1 inch.
Oh.
All the big cakes like that, and including this one. Magic plate.
Yeah,
So-
okay, good
So
evening
pretty.
everyone. How's your dinner so far?
Very good.
Okay, your dessert for tonight is lemon and lime cream mousse. One is with the butterfly twill, with the crumble in the bottom. We have orange segments. We have the dried mint leaves, raspberry, and sugar crystalline in the bottom. So all is edible. So it's a complement to each other. So it's sweet, sour, crunchy. It's all there. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much and enjoy your dinner and bon appetit.
And the chef is busy as well, so but I'm happy to see you guys. And thank you very much, everybody. Now we need to open, and then people will. And we have the
What they had.
You're inside of this incredible. Yes, please.
Yay!
Thank you very much again.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Joseph,
Thank you very much. Lovely.
thank you, lady.
Thank you, lady.
Thank you, lady. Thank you very much. Thank you. Signora, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you around there, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ladies, it was a pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice evening, have a nice life. Be like this. You are amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
guys.
I want to pretend tomorrow night. Good day.